shit I seen, I'm supposed to shed a tear, but I ain't cry. The shoes I got on, you got 2 minutes before you cook the loud. He get up in that mode when he sober or he hot. I got problems I put in the wood just to get me by. When they left your boy for dead, I went hell hiking. Fuck it. Make it out, I'm most certain. Could've said most likely, but I'ma make it out there, bitch.
All right, guys, what's good? It's currently like 5 o'clock in the morning. Just had to do a 2-hour drive. Yeah, it's about that time. The next few clips will basically tell you where I'm going, and well, obviously it's gonna be Texas. I'm not even gonna kid with you guys or anything like that, but yeah, it's about that time that we go back to Texas. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned for more content. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video, because I'm pretty hyped because I'm going back to Texas, man. Like I said, man, I only come back like once a month, so yeah, man, I'm pretty excited. All right, YouTube, once again, here we go, jumping the car off. I got off the plane. I didn't feel like recording much because obviously I'm pretty sure y'all see the whole concept of me landing back in the airport and da-da-da, this and that. So gotta jump her off. Yeah, she has no power. She sits pretty much, but yeah, let's get it. So yeah, guys, pretty much just letting her charge real quick. Probably gonna hop in there real quick and see if it's gonna start. Honestly, hey, that homeless man that cleaned my wheels, they're still clean. Let's see. Got a little power in there. Oh, the mono blade. Never mind. Give it a little second. All right, second try. Okay, never mind. Hold on. There you go. Okay, never mind. No, on the 4th map. She don't want to. Nah, she really don't.
She cold.
Damn.
Let her warm up.
They don't want to wake up. There you go. Yeah, she didn't like that. Damn. Sure. See how that fucking anti-lag feels. Why are you looking like that?
Try the anti-lag real quick.
I think you gotta hold it at like 5,000 RPMs. So I ain't got enough space for it. Damn.
You weren't used to that, were you?
Whoa.
You don't ever do. You never do second gear pulls, do you?
No, I don't. I only do third gear pulls.
You scared of second gear, ain't you?
Holy shit.
Ooh.
Nigga, holy fuck. Hey, that motherfucker went like this. And I almost crashed into holy shit. Nah, I wanna go crash. I got the head on the wheel. God damn, that's a big ass bird.
It's a vulture.
God damn. Nah, that shit felt crazy. What? Nah.
Yeah,
Nah, that's crazy.
You just got scared. You just humbled the shit.
Oh shit.
You been waiting for that.
Holy fuck.
That
Damn.
nigga just experienced the feeling of why he spent all that money to do this.
Jesus Christ. Holy fuck. Woo! Now, I ain't gonna lie to you. That felt a little crazy. God damn.
You gotta learn how to drive that out.
Yeah, I know, but that was a turn right there too.
Oh,
though.
yeah, I know, yeah. But now, once you can start launching like that and letting it get a little loose and then it grip up, nigga,
Yeah.
Oh, man. Wait till you put a tire on this bitch.
That's what I want to do, put a tire on this motherfucker. I do want to still try to roll it into lag too.
Can't get mad.
Hit that hoe. Yeah. Hell yeah. Sure.
I didn't want to grind. I hate grinding right there.
I heard that hoe.
It's not an easy shift to catch either.
Alright, YouTube, man. Y'all seen a couple flybys earlier, and man, that rolling into lag is very serious, man. I feel like that rolling into lag will get a lot of niggas. That shit go crazy, no cap. And I still haven't even tried brake boost. I'm gonna try some of the brake boosting a little later. And we can do a little riding around the town, man. I haven't been here in forever, so you know what I mean. Ugh. What the fuck? Damn, bitch. Man, skip the line like that. What? Roll on, Mike. Nah, I'm just playing. But nah, dead ass, man. I'm gonna try that brake boost and shit too. I haven't tried that, and I'm guessing because rolling into lag is pretty. It's a little bit complicated. Not really complicated, but if you're NA and you're tuned, you're kind of. It's basically the same options. You just turn on the cruise control thing and hold the cancel button and just let the built boost and turbo spool up and just let it go. and then the fucking shit just type shit. But other than that, brake boosting, I'm pretty sure is just the same way as you call it, brake boosting. So you're in a certain gear, holding the brake at the same time, and holding the gas, I guess, and then just let off. And I guess it slingshots you or whatever you want to call it. But honestly, I mean, shit feels pretty damn solid with the rolling interlag. I wonder what that brake boost feel like. And then I got another question, guys. What do y'all think I should get for a steering wheel? I was thinking more of a quick release steering wheel. Man, the fucking carbon steering wheels, I feel like everybody has those. So I just kind of got not so excited about it. I used to want it when I first got into these cars and stuff like that. But I just fell in love with them because I've seen so many people with carbon fiber steering wheels. But, I mean, it is what it is. If you guys would like to see the carbon steering wheel, that's what I would like to get. Whatever you guys, from this point on, this build is y'all build. Let me know what y'all want me to do. No cap. All right, guys, look at this. We got the Jeep parked in the little space. We're at Chuck E. Cheese. All right, let's see. Well, guys, I found myself at Kroger's. Had a good day with my daughter. Kind of how I spend my time back here in Texas. I know I kind of keep repeating it, but yeah, I ate some sushi in the parking lot alone. Man, you know, one thing is, I got a boosted VQ, man, but like, this is a part I feel like nobody really talks about. And I'm open with y'all is because I know a lot of people really don't watch my YouTube channel like that. Like, none of my personal friends or like family or anything like that, they don't watch my channel like that, like as like y'all do, because y'all are like true supporters, you know what I mean? And the thing is, bro, like with all this traveling shit, yes, it may be good money and it may be good everything, but bro, like honestly, this shit really do get lonely. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I got a boosted VQ. Congratulations, you know what I mean? Don't get me wrong, this is part of my dream. And I gotta constantly remind myself too that I'm on a different path than where other people are at. And I kinda don't wanna I don't want my emotions to get in the way of my dreams. And cause I know for a fact that I'm trying to get to a point in life where I don't have to worry about money. That's what type of timing I'm on right now. And I know for sure that I'm not the only person that probably feels like depressed or lonely or whatever the case is. Even if it's not about money, even if it is about money, bro, money is not gonna solve your problems. And although it does help some of the feelings, I will say that it does help with some of the emotions that you go through and stuff like that. But for the most part, bro, I'm trying to build some wealth, bro. Like, I'm not trying to be rich or, bro, I'm on a different level, bro. I'm trying to get to oh hell no, cops out tonight, double whammy. See, yeah, this is why I need to get my ass to the house. Yeah, I was gonna go get some E85, but I'm gonna skip the gas station tonight for sure. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, like, don't get distracted like with the girls and stuff. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm a little guilty with the girls too, for sure. Because like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a bad looking guy. So getting girls for me is it's easy for me, bro. Or not easy, I don't want to say, but it does. I can get them if I want to, if I put it that way. And they're a distraction too, bro. And like, I gotta constantly remind myself, like, hey nigga, you gotta get your head in the game. And you know, bro, just talk to yourself, bro. Like, cause you know what you're supposed to be doing right now, but you don't fucking do it. Cause I be doing the same shit and I be thinking like, damn, I know I'm not the only person, because I'm not the only person, bro. And I really don't be grinding like how I'm supposed to be grinding, even with down to this YouTube shit, bro. I don't be grinding like how I'm supposed to be grinding, like in life in general. It's some shit I get sidetracked by, and y'all gotta do the same shit, like dead ass, bro. Like, you can't let none of this small minor shit get to you. You gotta keep your head straight forward, bro. If you got something you want to do in life, bro, you got, like, seriously want to do in life, you gotta keep your head on, bro. Like, dead ass, bro. It's a lot of shit that I want to do in life, so I gotta constantly remind myself and not let my emotions and everything get the best of me. I know this is a small YouTube channel and shit, but we got big goals, man. No cap. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the rest of that, the beginning of the video. I'm gonna try to make this video as content worthy as possible. I want to do like a little brake boosting, but bro, I'm not supposed to do any hard pulls. I'm not supposed to do any hard pulls below half a tank of gas. And right now I'm at a quarter tank, so maybe I hit the gas station real quick. Let me see. Y'all, let me see if this C7 want to do anything. Never mind, it's a fucking convertible with an old man driving that hoe. Boys. Alright guys, we made our way to the gas station. As you can see, some E85, E85, yes sir. It's pretty fucking cold tonight, y'all. I don't know if I want to fucking do the whole brake boosting thing. I might leave that for tomorrow, low key. I've been doing a lot of pulls in this car tonight. I mean, today in general, and I just got here. But yeah, man, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see what's up. I might do a little brake boosting, man. I might try it out, see what's up, just to see what's up. We're gonna see, but I'm gonna try to keep that shit a little calm, you know, chill. But no, I'm not doing that shit. You know what? I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for tuning in to the video. Thank you guys for being such good supporters, man. Y'all always been behind me, 10 toes down, 15,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate you guys so much for fucking everything, y'all. So I appreciate all of the continuous support. I can't thank you guys enough. But just like that, guys, your boy is out.